Time and again, the Kapil Sharma show has been mired in various controversies, from the host Kapil Sharma and the comedian Sunil Grover's ugly feud to Sugandha Mishra's unceremonious exit. The comedy talk show has been in the news constantly. In fact, most recently, the show made headlines after it was reported that there were rifts between Krishna Abhishek and Kiku Sharda after the latter took a dig at the former comedian and his uncle Govinda's public fallout. Later, both Krishna and Kiku cleared the air on the rumors and stated that everything was well between the two. Nonetheless, over the years, several artists, including popular judge Navjot Singh Sidhu, exited the show for various reasons. So here's a look at the artists, some of who left the show and aren't going to be a part of it anytime soon, while one among them made a comeback only after he quit. In 2017, actor Sunil Grover, who played the role of Dr. Mashoor Gulati in the Kapil Sharma show, quit the series after a rather nasty fallout with the show's host Kapil Sharma. In March 2017, it was reported that there was an altercation between Kapil and Sunil. Kapil alleged verbal abuse and assaulted Sunil when they were returning from Australia, where they had performed at a stage show. After this incident, Sunil Grover quit the show and never returned back. Sugandha Mishra, television actor, singer and a comedian best known for her appearance in the first season of the Kapil Sharma show in the year 2016, recently opened up on her discourteous exit from the show. After Sunil Groverji left, there were many changes happening in the format of the show, and we were not called again. I was going with the flow, and I feel my journey with the show halted there, Sugandha said in one of her interviews. On her return to Kapil Sharma show, Sugandha told a leading web portal that as of now she has no plans of returning to the show. However, she added that it's not like she won't ever get back on the show. She added that while at present she has a very hectic schedule, when the time and situation comes and if she has the opportunity to get back on the show, she will definitely take it. In 2017, during one of her interviews, Ali Asgar had revealed the reason behind quitting the Kapil Sharma show. He said he quit the comedy series because of creative differences and because his character on the show was becoming stagnant. Ali, who is 50-year-old, played Pushpa Nani on the show. But at that time, when Ali quit, it was reported that the reason behind him leaving the show was Kapil Sharma's mid-air assault on co-star Sunil Grover. Grover did not return to the series, neither did several others from the lineup, Ali being one of them. Ali had said in one of his interviews that we had worked there for the longest period of time, but after a certain point there was a time when I felt that I should move from the show because I had creative differences with Kapil and his team. My character wasn't going anywhere and it was becoming stagnant, and I felt that there was no scope for creative improvement. Chandan Prabhakar, who had quit the Kapil Sharma show following the host's fight with co-star Sunil Grover in the year 2017, made his comeback on the show a few months later the same year. Chandan played the role of Chandu Chaiwala on the show and continues to essay the same even now. Unlike the comedians and the actors on the show who quit the series for one reason or the another, popular judge Navjot Singh Sidhu, who replaced Archana Puran Singh, was dropped from the show after his remarks on Pakistan after the Pulwama terror attack in the year 2019 stirred up a social media storm, with netizens demanding the show's and the Singh's boycott. What's your take on this? Do let us know in the comments below. Also stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.